Welcome to this tutorial. Today we are going to be talking about portfolio. So what is a portfolio? A portfolio is a social proof. It is your resume. It is your curriculum vitae that you use in getting prospective clients. So as an online person, as an online freelancer that wants to get much of jobs or wants to acquire a job, you need a portfolio. And we have two tools we are going to be showing you today. So we're going to be starting from simple to complex. The first tool is what we call this. I will not be spending much time on this. I'm just going to be giving you a brief. We're going to be using from Google app that is called Google Drive. And the second one is site.google.com. So I'm going to be starting with the first one using Google Drive. So immediately you log in your Gmail, you are going to click on this place that talks about Google application. You are going to click on Drive and it opens. And it opens, right? And it's open. So in my own case, I already have files on this place. I already have different files that I have used, right? So now for you to be able to use a Google Drive, you need to arrange all the files that you have. Be it a content creator, be it you are a graphic designer, be it you're a video editor, be it whatever skill you have that is sellable online, you need to have a portfolio that showcases that because that's the thing that you're going to be asked for by your clients. So you need to arrange it in your system first, right? You arrange it in a way that it will be accessible. You put it in a folder, arrange it according to their names. Maybe let's say as a graphic designer, I have a wedding work. You are going to put graphics that you have done for all wedding jobs in one folder, right? You are now going to have different types of work. Maybe let's say jotters that you have done, that you have designed in one folder. So everything you sum it to become a whole folder. So meaning in one folder, you have arrangements of your works in folders. So in a nutshell, you're going to be having folders of folders in one folder. After you've done that, you are now going to come to this place that says new, and you do what? You upload. You upload what? You upload the folder. I think I've done one. You upload the folder. I have it on my download file. I'll come here, I'll click, and I'll upload. Right? I'll upload. So immediately the thing is done uploading, you are going to see it on your dashboard. So what you will now go, you are now going to click on that particular folder, right? On that particular folder, you are going to right click after it's uploaded. You are going to right click. You see this part? This is very essential. You see this part? This is very essential. This is the link you are going to be sharing. This is the link you are going to be sharing. In case they ask you for your portfolio, you are going to share this link because it has all your jobs contained in it. So what you will now do is you are going to now click copy link, manage access. Under that copy link, you will see manage access. So now you are now going to do what? This general access, you are now going to change it to what? Anyone with the link. Anyone with the link. After that, you do what? You OK. Or you first copy first, you copy it, and after that, you do what? You are done. So that is that link you are going to be sharing to your prospective clients. Make sure you arrange your jobs first before you upload. So after that, you are good to go. So it's that link you are going to be sharing to your prospective client. I think that's like the easiest way to have a portfolio using Google Drive. So let's go straight to Google Sites. This might look more complex in a way, but it is a very good way to go, because this is more like a website. This website allows you to arrange every stuff, right? It will be way easier. See, we have different templates. We have different templates by Google, right? So all you just need to do is just to start blank. I always advise you start blank so that you'll be able to see it. Start blank. You'll be the one that will be arranging everything, but you can also do that yourself. So now, first thing first, um, you can. This is the first. This is the first landing page you are going to see. This is the first landing page you are going to see. So all you do is you do what? Well, let us rename this. Let's put Michael, Michael, Michael Jobs, right? Enter the site name, Michael Jobs. Um, Michael Jobs. So you can choose to bring in logo. I think you see you can bring in your logo, upload it. You can bring in icon. This favicon means this small icon you can see here. That's what it means. This small icon. So you can choose to change your own. I can come here now, and I think I have a particular design on my desktop. Scale up. I'm going to use the scale up. I'm going to use that. You see it has turned it to small logo. I come here. This actually takes time, but it is fun, right? It is fun. You see everything has changed. Scale up, right? You see everything has changed. So you can choose, you can just say, welcome, welcome to what? Michael Jobs. But I recommend this mostly. So when you are done, you can just publish. Publish. You understand? Immediately you publish, what I have done as saved. So you can choose to put any image here so that you can just style it up a bit. Let me still use this. Let me see how it's going to look like. Are you seeing? Everything is coming to life. You're seeing it. So now, if you look at this place, it says insert. You can insert text, you can insert image, you can insert this one, embedded code. Embedded code. If you want to put your YouTube URL, right? Your YouTube URL, you can put it here, right? You can put it here and it will show everything. I'll give an example. Let's say we go to, let's say, let's do this. I use this. Let me go and copy a URL and fix. So this actually takes time, but it is worth it. It takes time, but it is worth it. So I advise. Hello there. Let's copy this. You see, I'm going to right click to copy URL. I'll bring it to this place. You see it? You see it automatically is bringing everything. You see it? I'll just insert. You see it? It has showed here. It has showed. So for you that have videos of your work, you can showcase everything in one corner. Everything in one corner, right? You can put content block. Are you seeing it? You can put content block. This one is what? You can make your image scroll. This one you can put table of contents. It is way easier. You can explore all these things. You can even put your documents from your drive, right? You can, let me put this, let me put this video, let me put this particular video from my drive. I'll just select it and you see it. So everything you have on your drive is going to show. You see it, it will just show there. Very good. That is for insert. You can insert anything. You can insert your social media link, which is very essential, right? You can put the icon here so that people will know that it is maybe Instagram or YouTube. Remember, you have to know your link. Like our one is youtube.com official group TV. There's at there, at official group TV. So I'll just insert. You see it, it has automatically bring this for me. So it is your arrangement that determines. So now this page, it's a very good thing. This one that you are creating, this particular page, this one that you are creating is a home page that you are creating. So you can choose to put whatever thing you want to put on your own page. If you check this side, you can change the style. You can change how it actually looks like. You see it? I've changed the style. This one you can add and say new page. I can name this page. You can name those page under your category, right? Like we specialize more on video editing and we have different types of videos that we have created. This one I can just name it, let's say documentary. The other one I can put it TV series, documentary, right? I create another one. I'll put TV series, TV series, right? Are you seeing it? So if you click, for each one you click, you will come to insert to do what? To do the same arrangement that you have arranged on your front page. Remember, you are going to be inserting something different. So you are automatically creating a website. Look at this place. It says home, documentary, TV series. So this is a very good way of doing what? Creating a landing page. So please take notes. I'm doing this a rush so that I don't want this tutorial to be too long, so that you get to understand it. You can add map. You can put a location. Let's say Nigeria. Let's just say Lagos, Nigeria. We even have Lagos in Portugal, but I'm talking about Lagos in Nigeria. Okay, Lagos Island. Okay, then I insert. So you can always drag this to put at any part of the page that you want. So it is way easier. It is just drag and drop. By this, you can be able to build. When you are done with this home page, all you just do is you publish, right? Look at it. You publish. Request public search engine not to display. Please do not click this unless you don't want them to search for you through this name. You understand? So this is going to be your link, site.google.com/view/Michael Jobs. So you publish. So that is the link you are going to be sharing to your prospective client. Your prospective client will see you as a more serious person for you having this kind of website. He knows that you are already advanced. You are already at the top of your game, because this one showcases your work more than Google Drive. So whichever works for you, it's good. So if you know you don't really have much of works, right? You can start with Google Drive. I also personally started with Google Drive, but later I now have a website through Google Sites. So I think this video is helpful. Try as much as possible to share and also drop a comment. Look at this place. You can change the style, whichever style that works for you. You can change the theme. You see it, I've changed it. It looks very different, right? So please do well to drop a comment if you feel you have any question, anything you want to ask. Just feel free. I'm going to respond to you in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video.